boys and beauties, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Markela Tarrance, and for those of you who do know me, welcome back. So today I thought it would be cute to do a halo braid. So I'm going to be showing you all how I do my halo braid with this pre-stretch Mayday African braiding hair. So it's like a natural color. I'm not sure if you all are familiar with the halo braid or if you've seen it, but I feel like it's a really cute, really classic type of hairstyle, like especially if you just want to do something really quick, if you like want to go somewhere or you have some people to meet and you don't know what to do with your hair and you already slicked your hair down and you took the wig off and you took the ponytail out and it's like, what am I gonna do next? You can do a halo braid. So make sure before we move any further, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe this video. If you have not already, make sure you like this video. Make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you can see my weekly videos, all right? Alrighty guys, so the first thing you want to do is of course take your hair out of the pack. I went ahead and I did that already. I do have a wooden chair that I did flip upside down, so I will be using that to actually hold the hair as I braid it. You can use a doorknob, you can have someone help you, or if you have like a wooden chair like myself, just flip that boy upside down and just start braiding, okay? So I'm just going to do a straight braid. I'm not going to do any special braids or anything. If you want to go ahead and do a freaky braid, I'm all for it. Please tag me so I can see it, but for now I am just going to do a regular French braid, so make sure you continue to watch. Here is what the braid looks like. It is regular French braid as I stated. So now that I have that braided, I am going to gently just place it over my bun. You want to make sure that when you do apply this over your hair, you want to make sure that it is covered, and of course you want it to look as though the braid is coming from your hair. So it's really simple and easy. I'm just going to take a few bobby pins and I'm just going to bobby pin the back of my head. Okay, so I did go ahead and I turned around. That way you all can see how I simply just place the ponytail around the crown of my head. It's like a crown braid, you know, like this is some queen princess type of hairstyle, and I really love it. So I didn't really it didn't really take too much, but I did just take a few bobby pins and I just gently placed that inside of my head. So it is a really quick and easy hairstyle. So this is what it actually looks like. If you want to place more bobby pins in your hair, I am so for that. The more secure you have your braid, the easier and more confident you will feel. I will say sometimes when I was like talking to some people, it was sliding off, but you know, those people and me are the only people that know that. So I highly recommend that you use extra bobby pins. But in the end, here is what it looks like. I really love this hairstyle. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe if you have not already done so. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did creating it for you, and I hope to see you next time. See you later. Bye.